Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to get public profile on Snapchat. So let's get started. Launch Snapchat, then tap on profile at the top left corner. Now we should scroll down and in very bottom you will see create public profile. Tap on it. Then tap on continue, get started. At the bottom tap from pop-up menu create. And now as you can see my profile public here. You can tap on it and here is the settings. At the top right corner you will see the gear icon. Tap on it and you can change any profile settings that you want. By the way, you can tap on preview profile and see how another people see your public profile on Snapchat. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.